Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you how to watch content on the Arte application on your Hisense Smart TV. This is very easy. Like and subscribe for more important videos like this. So to do that, the first you have to do is to install the application, and here's it over here. Now if you don't have the application installed, start by installing it, then go over to your app store to install it. Just launch your app store, which should look the same on every Hisense Smart TV. If you have a Hisense Smart TV, then your app store should be there like this. So as you go over here, the easiest thing to do is just go over and search for the application Arte. Here's it here, and since I already have it installed, I can just go ahead and launch on my Hisense Smart TV, which is very easy. So once I launch the application, here's how it looks like Arte. And once you come out to it, here's it. So you can see there's a lot of content you can watch here. And you can go over to the option that says My Arte here, and then log in or create an account and log in to your Arte to get more content on it. And also you can go over to your settings and change the language if you want, another personalization. So that's it about this video. If you want to watch content on it, then make sure to log in or create an account, and then you can come over here and watch content with your account.